Do you have high blood pressure, or you're on a 1,500 milligram a day diet and you're looking to bring some real flavor back into your life without all the salt? Well, let me show you this one. Check it out. So if you don't know, that's all the salt that we use in our bottle, and we use real sea salt. All seasonings are measured in 1/4 of a teaspoon. So I'm gonna start divvying it out. 1. So that right there is 7 servings. Flip them over, level it off, and do it again. So we got over 1 pound of chicken tenders covered top and bottom with Dan-O's, only using 14 servings. So that's only equivalent to 700 milligrams. Lay it in, pop it in your air fryer. All right, let's get the seasoning that was left over that didn't actually get on the chicken, and let's see how much is left over. Let's pour it in our little bowl here. Now let's measure it out. 1. And there you have it. About 3.5 servings didn't actually get attached to the chicken. So that brings us down to about 500 milligrams of sodium total on that chicken. And that's what they look like. All right, so not only did we just make some of the best chicken you'll ever have using just a seasoning, but let's make a sauce to take it to the next level. We're gonna go 1, 4, a little bit of white wine vinegar, a little bit of red wine vinegar, and a little bit of avocado oil. And a squeeze of this stone ground mustard that's only 85 milligrams of sodium per serving. About 1 tablespoon. Mix that up. Look at that sauce, y'all. A little over 500 milligrams on the chicken and probably close to 300 in there, but are you gonna eat it all? All the chicken or all the sauce, but I can tell you what, give it a try. If you got high blood pressure, you can thank me later and yum yum get you some.